Welcome to AI File Pro, the intelligent way to capture, organize, and automate your documents. Getting started is easy. Visit www.fabsoft.com. Select the Products link from the top center of the page and choose AI File Pro. Then click the Try Now button located near the bottom left of the page. Now simply enter your name and email address, and we'll send you everything you need to activate your account and download AI File Pro. When you receive the email, just click on the link to download the program. After it has downloaded, open the folder and double-click on the installer file. Allow the app to make changes. Click Next, then click Accept and Install. Click Finish and AI File Pro opens up. Now you can start organizing your files. Then, pick the Input folder. In the Selected Template section, you can use the AI File Pro default or choose a template. Templates allow you to specify what names AI File Pro can use in your new folder structure. To create or edit templates, click Settings. Now you can create a new template. You can also add or delete names from an existing template, such as the Personal Injury Attorney template. In the Selected Folder section, select or deselect files and folders to be organized. When you are satisfied with your choices, click the Start Organizing button. If there are video or audio files, an enhanced media processing configuration window appears. AI File Pro gives you the option to use AI to process these files, giving you intelligent content analysis, transcription, and better organization results. AI File Pro sorts your files into a new organized folder structure using folder names from the list of names in the template. Had you not used a template, the AI File Pro default would have created a folder structure based on the document's contents that would have looked like this. Now your files can be renamed using intelligent content-based identification. When you are finished, click Save to Disk. You have the option to save to cloud storage, a network path, or a location on your disk drive. Saving to the disk drive looks like this. You can also use cloud storage. Then you can choose to organize the files, tag the files, or both. You can search the Dropbox using tags, and then you have access to filters, etc. If you open the video in a new tab, you see that AI File Pro captured the transcript. You could have saved to a network path too. AI File Pro transforms your file system from confusing and unclear to an organized and intuitive structure. Now, say you want to find one of the witness statements. Your search time will be up to 50% faster after AI File Pro has renamed your files with clear, recognizable names. And with the search feature, you can find specific data. You can analyze or summarize your data. AI File Pro analyzed your video, so you can get information on the content of the video as well. If you have any questions or you are ready for hands-on help, just click the link in the second email and schedule a meeting. We'll walk you through installation, configuration, and everything you need to get started with AI File Pro.